Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Zimbabwean meat pie. First, let's prepare the pastry. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of cold butter, and about 1/4 cup of cold water. Cut the butter into small pieces and rub it into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add the water, mixing until a firm dough forms. Knead it gently for 5 minutes, then chill for 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the savory meat filling. Brown 500 grams of ground beef in a pan with 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Once the meat is cooked, drain any excess fat. Stir in 1 diced carrot, 1/4 cup of peas, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Season with 1 teaspoon of curry powder, salt, and black pepper. Add a splash of water and simmer for about 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the sauce has thickened nicely. Now it's time to assemble your Zimbabwean meat pie. Take your chilled dough and divide it into 2 portions, with 1 piece slightly larger than the other. Roll out the larger portion and carefully line a 9-inch pie dish, letting the edges overhang a bit. Spoon the cooled meat filling evenly into the dough-lined dish. Then, roll out the second dough portion and place it over the filling, pressing the edges firmly to seal. You can crimp the edges for a decorative finish. Finally, let's bake our delicious Zimbabwean meat pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Once baked, let the pie cool for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade Zimbabwean meat pie with a fresh side salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.